Good day. I am Wendy Dominica He and Me. I'm a final year student from University Technical Malaysia Melaka under the Faculty of Electrical and Electronic Technology. First and foremost, I would like to thank my fellow panels, Technologist Aminur Rashid bin Nordin and Technologist Saleha bin Muhammad Saleh for their time in evaluating my bachelor degree project too. Not to forget, my Honorable Supervisor, Technologist Shahrudin bin Zakaria and Technologist Maslan bin Zainon for their guide and support. In this video, I'll be presenting about my bachelor degree project 2 with the title of Development of Training Module based on Real Industrial Automation System, Palm Oil Refinery. Development of Training Module based on Real Industrial Automation System, Palm Oil Refinery. According to Olivia McGarry, building courses can be tough to get right. Not only do they have to be educational, but they also have to be manageable for your learners to achieve. One of the most effective and actionable ways to achieve this is by creating a course that has made up of training modules. The palm oil refining industries are the world's leading manufacturing sectors, and palm oil has become increasingly important vegetable oil in the world market. Malaysia is currently the world's largest traded vegetable oil producer of crude palm oil and exporting company. To keep up with the rapid changes in the industrial automation system, the palm oil refinery industry was chosen as the model for the development of a training model based on real industrial automation system. Learning medium that can be found in University Technical Malaysia Melaka's Programmable Logic Controller Laboratory are Programming Language Software, CX Programmer, and Hardware Training Module. However, these teaching mediums and equipments are not sufficient to maximize the understanding as CX Programmer does not clearly define the process of the circuits built. Besides that, the existing hardware training module are faulty and expensive to repair. Through this training module, it will create a more flexible learning environment for students, lecturers, and instructors. The purpose of this project is to develop a training module based on a real industrial automation system using the cheapest yet effective method. Besides that, training module is developed to visually describe an industrial automation system. Most industries nowadays control their plant using SCADA. These training modules are believed to give users a surface introduction of what a SCADA may look like. Although this training module is only the concept of SCADA, but considerations has been taken as this training module is built in a GUI form where users can control the application. Lastly, to increase the validity of the interpretation of experiments performed during laboratory session. With the help of this training module, I believe that the complexity of the process and visual aid diagram will help students to improve their critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and become more active in learning process. Research methodology. To complete this project, research has taken place in terms of planning, analyzation, simulation, and discussion process. The ladder diagram was designed to consist of push buttons and timers as primary parts to ensure the system works corresponding to the industry's process. Visual Studio 2019, on the other hand, are used to build a controllable module where it consists of diagrams such as pipes and tanks. The programming language that I used to build this project is Visual Basic. Visual Basic is an event-driven programming language that is primarily used for application development. The designing and developing procedure use the easy drag and drop features. The module is programmed with objects which works with external objects such as images, etc. Furthermore, it responds to a mouse and keyboard events. For example, when a specific action was taken by users such as double-clicking on a button or image. It also works with text and graphics which allow to work with text effects, fonts, and colors. Visual Basic uses Basic C, C++, and Java programming language. The palm oil refinery layout in the training module application and ladder diagram are designed according to the palm oil refinery process flowchart. According to the flow shown, the training module starts when users click on the application, and the main menu panel will be displayed along with the button of the palm oil refinery, related videos, and about button. If users click the palm oil refinery button, then palm oil refinery screen will be displayed, along with the selections of 4 controllable buttons including play button, stop button, repeat button, and back button. If play button is clicked, The palm oil refinery process will start with first 5-second delay, then 5 seconds of light up pipes according to the palm oil refinery process. The stop button is to stop the whole animation, meanwhile the repeat button is to repeat the previous process. Lastly is the back button, that when it is clicked, the palm oil refinery layout will be closed and returned to the main panel. Next, in the main menu panel, shown the related videos button. When the button is clicked, a video selection panel will be displayed along with 4 different videos regarding on the palm oil process. This panel also includes a pause, stop, and volume control button. Back button is to return to the main menu. Lastly, in the main menu panel is the About button. When users click on the About button, the infographic explanation of the training model will be displayed in PDF form. Visual Studio 2019 is used to create the training module, and the programming language that was chosen specifically to build the GUI in a more faster and easier way are Visual Basic. The module is designed according to the process of the palm oil refinery. Some settings are included to make the module work as effectively as possible. Such settings are start-stop control, repeat capability, real-time CX programmer simulation, pop-up features to display the process information upon double-clicking on anything. Next, this training module also includes video selection to help students to understand more about the process, and also infographic explanation about the training model process in PDF form. The codings are built step by step starting from the main menu panel, the refinery screen for palm oil, related videos of plant process, and the buttons to the About information. The control buttons are created through drag and drop features from the toolbox, and the IDE adds button 1 to the flow layout panel automatically. Finally, the code application will be debugged. The images and videos shown in the application are compiled in a folder that are in the same folder as the application. The folder acts as libraries to the application, and when it is called to execute on the application, it displays the specific images or videos chosen by the users. The CX programmer is used for mapping a ladder diagram according to the plant process and synchronization. These two softwares can be simulated at the same time on a different screen to ensure learners has maximum understanding of the process working sequence. The most important advantage of these training modules are that it is built with the considerations of the users. This training module and CX programmer can be launched on any laptops or computers if the CX programmer software are installed in it and has screen resolution of 1920 by 1080. The tables shown in the video are the result of the functionality of the application. This table is filled in once the development of the application has been done. The data that has been collected for this table will be proven at the demonstration part of this video. Software application programming includes the concept of interaction between humans and computers. A graphical user interface is very important in this area of the program. A well-designed GUI provides a flexible structure where the interface is independent of the functionality of the application. To conclude, the configuration of application functionality is achieved, which is the main objective is to develop a training model for industrial automation system based on palm oil refinery process. In this part of the video, I am going to demonstrate to you on how the training module application works. This is the folder of the training module application. As shown in the video, there are 3 folders exist that act as libraries to the application, and the specific items in the folder will only execute when it is called. The main menu panel will appear once users click on the application. The plant monitoring system will display the real date and time according to the PC's or laptop's date and time server. The main menu panel has selection of buttons of palm oil refinery, related videos, and About. When the palm oil refinery button on the main menu panel is clicked, palm oil refinery screen will be displayed along with start, stop, repeat, and return buttons. This layout is designed according to the palm oil refinery flowchart that can be viewed from the infographic PDF. The plant process begins when the start button is clicked. To provide users with the time to commence operation on the CX programmer, The first 5 seconds of the operation is delayed, then followed by 5 seconds for each process. For each process, the pipe lights up for 5 seconds. The pipe that lights up acts as if the oils are flowing from one tank to the other. The repeat button is to repeat the previous process of the tank. Upon double-clicking on any of the tanks on the screen, an information box regarding on the tank process will pop up. To remove the pop-up, double-click on the layout. Next, to exit the palm oil refinery layout, users just need to click the fourth button or the last button. Next, the Related Videos button. When the Related Videos button is clicked, the video selection panel will be displayed.
Brought to Southeast Asia from Africa a century ago, oil palms have thrived here. Today, this region generates 85.
How is palm oil produced? At the mill, the fresh fruit bunches are processed to separate them into functional components. Bunches arrive at the mill, are checked for quality and selected in different grades. How is palm oil produced? At the mill, the fresh fruit bunches are How is palm oil produced? At the refinery, how is palm oil produced? At the fractionation facility, the oil is separated into fractions.
Users are able to stop, pause, or control the volume of the videos. All of the related videos are obtained from YouTube. Lastly is the About button. Upon clicking on this function, a PDF infographic explanation regarding on the training module plant process will be displayed. The PDF consists of 20 pages including the pop-up information that can be obtained from the palm oil refinery layout. Lastly is a simulation of the design ladder diagram that was designed according to the palm oil refinery process. The primary components of the ladder diagram are push buttons and timers. Thank you for watching.